Welcome back MH Car Review to the channel, everyone. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of one of the most luxurious motorhomes of 2025. This stunning machine is not just a vehicle, it's a complete mansion on wheels, built for people who want comfort, style, and cutting-edge technology all in one place. In this video, we will go through its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing in full detail, so make sure you watch till the end. The first thing that captures attention is the exterior. The deep metallic red finish gives this motorhome a bold premium look, while the chrome accents highlight its strong personality. The front end features futuristic LED daytime running lights shaped in a modern geometric pattern, giving it the presence of a luxury flagship SUV. The huge panoramic windshield provides a clear and wide view of the road, which is essential for long-distance travel. The triple-axle layout on the rear ensures maximum stability, even when the vehicle is fully loaded. The clean, elegant lines on the side along with the flush-fit doors add to the overall sleek and aerodynamic design. Simply put, the exterior clearly shows that this is not a regular RV, it is a high-end luxury machine designed for elite travelers. Moving inside, the real magic begins. As soon as you enter, you're welcomed by warm ambient lighting and beautifully stitched premium leather seating. The interior instantly feels like a high-end hotel suite or a private business class cabin. The cockpit area is fully digital, with smart displays, touch controls, and a futuristic driving interface. The lounge area is spacious and relaxing, featuring recliner-style sofas, electronically controlled blinds, soft lighting, and a large smart TV for entertainment. The kitchen is fully equipped with a high-quality induction stove, microwave oven, refrigerator, and plenty of storage cabinets. It's designed to make long journeys feel just like home. The bedroom area is pure luxury, offering a comfortable king-size bed, elegant side tables, overhead storage, and soft LED lighting that creates a relaxing atmosphere. This is the kind of space where you can unwind after a long day of traveling. The bathroom is also built to a luxury standard, with a glass shower cabin, modern sink, stylish fittings, and enough space to move around comfortably. The entire interior is noise insulated, making the motorhome incredibly peaceful even when driving at high speeds. In terms of performance, this motorhome is powered by a strong and reliable diesel engine that delivers smooth and stable performance on highways. Despite its massive size, the motorhome handles surprisingly well. The steering is smooth, the ride is soft thanks to the air suspension system, and the triple-axle setup keeps the vehicle steady on all kinds of road surfaces. The engine is specially tuned for long-distance touring, allowing you to travel comfortably for hours. While the fuel consumption is obviously higher than a regular car, it is quite reasonable for a vehicle of this class and size. Now let's talk about pricing, because luxury like this never comes cheap. In international markets, motorhomes of this level usually cost between $2 to $3 million, depending on customizations and features. When converted to other currencies, it easily reaches the category of ultra-premium vehicles. This motorhome is designed for people who want to experience travel not just as a journey, but as a luxury lifestyle. And that concludes our full tour and detailed review of this incredible 2025 luxury motorhome. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments which feature impressed you the most. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing luxury vehicle reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.